Good day, guys and girls. So today we're bringing you a video on the Allen and Roth 6x12 noir veined floor and wall tile. I'm not going to go into a video about how to install a herringbone floor or how to install tile or grout tile in general. I believe that this topic is well covered with other YouTube channels. I don't want to double or triple or quadruple cover or infinitely cover content that somebody else is doing. I always like to cover things that is very difficult to find or just doesn't even exist on YouTube, so that's why we're here. So like I mentioned, this is the 6x12 noir veined, and it's available at Lowe's. In Canada, it's also available at Rona. Now, I know Lowe's in Canada, at least in my city, you had to special order it, but Rona actually had it in stock, no problem. So just keep an eye out for it. They also make it in a 12x24, a 24x24. They also have a Mosaic that is special order, and I believe a bullnose tile for finishing up, like say the edge of a tile shower or even a tile floor. They have some other specialty products there for you. So just because this is advertised as Allen and Roth, don't let that scare you, because people have said in some of the reviews that Allen and Roth is the Lowe's kind of in-house brand, and that is true. But at least in this case, this tile is actually produced by an American manufacturer under license for Allen and Roth. So don't be unsure or don't even question the quality of this. It's a great product. Like I said, it's made in the USA. It's certified porcelain tile, so there's actually a certification with this one. It's good to use with indoor and outdoor applications. Like I said, you can use it on the walls and the floors. It's scratch and stain resistant, and it has a limited lifetime warranty. So I don't know what else you could ask for, and it's readily available because you can go to any Lowe's, or like I said, in Canada, you can go into a Lowe's or Rona, pick it up. If you're out of material, you can always get some more, no issues. So what I wanted to mention in this video is what I thought about the quality of the product. I thought the quality was very, very good. I'll show you a couple of spots. There was some chip tiles and some defects, but this is 7 tile boxes worth. There's 20 6x12 tiles per box, and yeah, out of the 7 boxes, I think we had maybe 3, possibly 4 tiles that were damaged in some way. So the first item I wanted to address was the durability, and in quite a few reviews actually, they had said that it scratched, that it scratched too easily, that it was inconsistent, etc., etc., etc. So my wife and I, we thought, well, we better go and test this. So we actually went into the store and tried scuffing it with our keys, and the keys were actually transferring the brass onto the tile itself, but the tile itself was not scratched. So what I'd like to show you, that's the queen. Sorry, I'm not trying to show you the queen, but there's a moose. Those of you who don't know, that's a 25-cent piece or a quarter. But that's me scratching, and that's actually any residue that you see there. First of all, this is 4 wipes that I did on the floor, so that's why you're seeing some of this haze still. But yeah, there is absolutely no scratches. That is me trying to scratch it with this quarter, and it's just not doing it. So I can say, at least with the tiles that I have, that they have yet to scratch. This was a sanded grout, and it did no damage to the tiles themselves. So don't be concerned with the durability of this product. It is great so far. So here's one of the defects that I was talking about. To me, it looked like either the glaze didn't fire properly, or maybe there was some adhesive that landed on the tile. The bad thing about this was that it was in the actual box itself, like down at least 3 or 4 tiles. So It wasn't like it was on the top and it got something on it during the shipping process or the packing process. This was in there right from the beginning. So that was a little bit of disappointment, but I put it here underneath the range where it's not going to be in. That was one of the other defects. There was a chip. This was again down deep inside the pack. And again, I stuck it underneath the range. No harm, no foul. This defect's going to be hard to see, but some other reviewers had noted this, that there's a groove right here. Sorry. Say hello to Atticus. Say hi, Addy. Nope, he doesn't want to say hi. He doesn't know what's going on. So some other reviewers had noted this. It's really hard to see, but there's a line that's actually cut in there. It's like a groove. And again, this is going to be mostly hidden, and I figured I'll stick it there. No harm, no foul. This was the fourth defect out of all the tiles. There was just a little bit of a nick out of the end of this tile. Fortunately, I didn't notice this one until it was too late. This is actually in one of the more visible areas, but with all the striations and veining that are on these tiles, I don't think that it's going to be an issue. And there's not much I can do about it now, so we just kind of live with it. So overall, I'm very impressed with the product. It was a good price. It was available. I don't know what else you could ask for. It seems very resilient, great color. It's a more unique product with the matte finish on it. It's not something that you're going to see in every single kitchen, in my opinion. Whether it's to your taste or not, I don't know, but I just wanted to give an honest review of this. I think it's a great product. Go out and buy it. If you have any hesitation, don't hesitate, go buy it. If anyone has any questions specific to this, or even tile installation, grouting, I can help you out there too. But again, I just wanted to do an honest review of this Allen & Roth 6x12 Noir veined tile. If this kind of content interests you guys and girls, hit that subscribe button, because we're adding content like this all the time. Could be something to do with house maintenance, property maintenance, car maintenance, or in this case, a review of a product that I think is worth purchasing. I am not sponsored by Allen & Roth. I'm not sponsored by Lowe's or Rona. This was all paid for with my own money for my own purposes. So if you like the content, hit that thumbs up button. And remember, you never know unless you bear. We'll see you on the next one.